maghfirah on Yawm al-Qiyamah, Allah will deal with His servants in different ways. Some people will only earn His maghfirah, His forgiveness, and some people will earn His afu, His pardoning. Those people who earn His afu, when they receive their book of deeds, their records, what do they see? They see blank pages. There is nothing in it. So immediately, they go to Jannah. Those people who earn the forgiveness of Allah, they see their bad deeds. And then they look at Allah and they say, "Oh Allah, will you forgive me?" Allah will say, "I forgive you." Subhanallah. So you see, they see their bad deeds just so that they could feel some guilt and fear, so that Allah could cleanse them, because they committed some bad sins during life. Allah doesn't want to punish them, but He wants to cleanse them. So they feel ashamed. Now they're in front of Allah and they're reading their book, and they see that, oh, I committed, I smoked a cigarette at 9:01 p.m. Then after that I used bad language. And after that I committed zina. And after that I watched television, there was something really bad on TV. And they see this after each other. But he asked Allah to forgive him in life. When he was alive, he asked Allah to forgive him. But it's still there. Allah forgave him, but it's still there in the book, and he's going to read it. And imagine if you're in the court and the judge tells you, "Here, take your record and read to us of the crimes you have committed within the last 6 months, the crimes that we caught you doing." So then you read, I sold drugs to 15 people, and I, stole a car, and I robbed a bank. So as you're reading this, you're going to feel ashamed and scared of what the judge is going to say. The judge is listening, he's in front of you. You're scared, Well, I'm reading this, and everybody's hearing, and the judge is in front of me, and he hears. What am I going to do? There's no way out of this, right? So the person who is forgiven on the Day of Judgment, he is forgiven. He's not going to be punished, but he's going to go through that phase where Allah is going to let him read his book, and he's going to have to mention his sins. And imagine, we're not comparing Allah to a judge of this dunya, right? Allah is above all things. So, subhanallah, forgiveness is a lower level of pardoning. If Allah pardons you, you don't mention anything, go straight to Jannah. If Allah forgives you, you're going to mention it. You're going to have to go through that difficulty for a little bit. So Allah tells us to deal with these envious people. How? Pardon them. Don't mention it. Forget about it.